This is a quick video on showing you how to disable, which is effectively removing sections from a build using the Firesticks build, but it's ANOX skin, which is pretty much the same for all the builds. Just go along to System. If you click on below it, Skin Settings, highlight Home window, go across to Set up the ANOX menu, click on that. These are all the sections. So if you want to remove catch up, you just untick where it says enabled, go along the sections you want and do it with that. Do pretty much all of them. You can just choose which ones you want to remove. Once you escape, end up with just the basic ones that you wanted. Got no sports sections, no live TV, no kids. Anytime you want to put them back in again, just once again go into skin settings and just tick the enable and they'll come back up. Thanks for watching. Bye.